All right, it's Friday, it's Friday, it's the end of the week, it's the last day, but we got a quiz today. But I'm not worried because I know we are ready because the quiz is over what we've been doing the past couple days, which is turning whole numbers into fractions. We know that when we're moving from place value to place value, we can multiply by 10 for every place value we are counting. In order to show how to move from whole numbers to decimals or fractions, we follow these steps. We first draw our place value chart. We always have to start by drawing. This is why you should have scratch paper right next to you to do your work. We then write that number that we're starting with in the place value chart. We then make our jumps to the new place value we're moving to. We then add the zeros and turn that into a fraction. I'm going to show you what that looks like before you take it over and complete your quiz. So, number one says, convert two ones into hundredths. Well, what do I do first? I draw and label my place value chart. So, I'm going to start by drawing and labeling my place value chart. Hundreds, tens, ones, decimal point, that's not a place value. That's just to show us where we move from whole numbers into fractions, tenths, and then hundredths. Cool. The next step is to write the place value I'm starting with. I'm starting with two ones. Write that in my place value chart, cross it out. I'm then jumping to the hundredths place. That's one, two jumps. Add my zeros, write my number. So two ones equals 200. What place value did I jump to? Hundredths. So if I have two ones, I can break that up into 200 of these little itty bitty hundredths. I'm going to use the same strategy for the next question. It says 6 ones into tenths. What do I do first? Draw my place value chart. Hundreds, tens, ones, decimal point, tenths, hundredths. Cross it out. Write the place value. It says 6 ones. I write that inside. Cross it out. What am I jumping to? The tenths place. So notice how I did not count the decimal place as a place value. So that's one jump, 1 0. So 6 ones is going to be 60 tens because I jumped to the tenths place. And that makes sense because if I have 6 ones and I break them into groups of 10, there will be 60 of those groups of 10. So you are going to use the same strategy to answer the questions for your quiz. When you are done, you are going to click submit to turn in your quiz. Scholars, please make sure you are showing your work on scratch paper. Do not rush through because you want to hurry up and get done. It's the weekend. Yay! It is. And I'm excited, and I hope you're excited. But your learning is too important for you to rush through and not show your work. Make sure you are showing your work. Because this is a quiz, I can't help you. So normally I would say if you have questions, call or text me. But for today, I want you to do your best. Make sure you show your work. You are ready. Just take your time and follow every step. Good luck.